Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. PUReCreditClub.com provides a valuable resource for anyone looking to understand and improve their credit score. This website offers a comprehensive suite of tools and educational materials designed to empower consumers to take control of their financial health. Navigating the complexities of credit reporting can be daunting, but PUReCreditClub.com aims to simplify the process. The site provides clear and concise explanations of key credit concepts, such as credit utilization, payment history, and the different types of credit inquiries. Furthermore, PUReCreditClub.com offers practical advice on how to dispute inaccuracies on your credit report, a critical step towards building a positive credit history. Understanding your credit score is crucial in today's financial landscape, as it impacts your ability to secure loans, rent an apartment, and even obtain certain types of employment. PUReCreditClub.com acknowledges this importance and strives to equip users with the knowledge and resources they need to achieve their financial goals. Beyond just explaining credit basics, the platform offers interactive tools that allow users to simulate the impact of different financial decisions on their credit scores. This feature empowers users to make informed choices and develop effective strategies for credit improvement. By providing a user-friendly interface and valuable insights, PUReCreditClub.com serves as a valuable ally for anyone seeking to navigate the often confusing world of credit reporting. Whether you're a seasoned financial expert or just starting your credit journey, PUReCreditClub.com can provide the support and information you need to achieve financial success. They offer a variety of resources, from articles and tutorials to personalized advice, all geared towards helping you understand and manage your credit effectively. So, if you're looking to take charge of your financial future, be sure to check out PUReCreditClub.com. They can help you unlock the power of good credit and pave the way for a more secure financial tomorrow. By demystifying credit scoring and providing actionable steps for improvement, PUReCreditClub.com empowers individuals to build a stronger financial foundation for themselves and their families.